Welcome to today's video. Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. We have a code snippet where GCC seems to struggle with the proper expansion of a type, causing a compilation error. The issue is related to a template class in a member function using a type obtained from a type tree. Let's dive into the details of this problem and see how we can resolve it. Now, let's discuss the solution to this compilation error. The problem lies in GCC confusing the type parameter in the member function template with the type in the type trait. By simply renaming the type in the type trait from codetypecode to codetypecode, we can make GCC happy and successfully compile the code. This adjustment clears up the confusion and allows GCC to correctly expand the type and compile the code without any errors. In summary, we encountered a compilation problem in GCC due to confusion between type parameters in a template class and a type trait. By renaming the type parameter in the type trait, we were able to resolve the compilation error and successfully compile the code. I hope you found the solution helpful and informative. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.